this video I'm going to be replacing the cargo lamp in my Titan. This is the tailgate. This one's gone out. We're going to be putting in a new Oxydo LED bulb. These are suitable for the cargo lamps, not so much the reverse or signal lamps. There are better bulbs for those locations, but these are great interior bulbs. I've never had an issue with this brand of bulbs. To access that, we're going to remove the tail lights, and we've got two Phillips screws. And that bulb is this one here. And I have what's currently in there, it's a GTR brand. These were expensive bulbs. And we'll get our got a new bulb installed. You don't have to remove the whole tail light from all the other bulbs. It was just easier for me to set it down for a minute. Tail light slides back. Make sure it's lined up properly. We can reinstall our bolts. There we go. Zoom in so you can see those bulbs. Okay, that's our new bulb there. And just to compare it to the old GTR bulb that's still in this side, that one's a little bit more purpley. That's a nice bright white. So if you want to pick up some of these bulbs for yourself, check out oxydo.com. I'll put a link down in the description below, and also include a discount code. The code is TitanTown, one word, no space, and you'll get a discount on your purchase of LED bulbs. Thanks for watching.